Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making safety decisions. Park level, set the brake, and disconnect the negative battery to prevent shorts. Once done, inspect the belt routing and identify the tensioner and any clips securing the belt. This tells you how it failed and where to act. Make sure to mark the belt path with a marker or photo. This avoids reinstallation mistakes. Then assemble sockets, a breaker bar or serpentine tool, gloves, and a rag so you can release the tensioner and remove the damaged clip belt immediately. With the tensioner identified, rotate it in the correct direction to relieve tension and carefully slip the belt off the largest pulley first. This prevents sudden recoil. Once free, lay the belt flat and inspect ribs, edges, and any clip damage. Missing ribs or exposed cords explain slipping and noise. Also spin pulleys by hand to check bearing play or roughness, because a bad pulley ruins new belts. Finally, record the belt length or OEM part number, so you order the correct replacement before reinstalling. Route the new belt following the diagram and your marked reference, making sure ribs sit fully in each pulley groove. Leave the tensioner pulley for last so you can apply tension cleanly. Once routed, release the tensioner slowly to apply proper preload, and then visually confirm alignment and full seating on every pulley. Misalignment causes premature wear. Start the engine briefly and listen for squeal. After a short drive, re-inspect tension and pulley condition. If noise or slipping continues, check pulleys and tensioner for wear as the...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.